Okay, like I promised in my previous video that I'm going to teach you how to remove logo, Gemini logo in your picture. How to remove it. It's gonna be amazing class. You are going to learn how to remove logo from like this to like this. So button up, sitting up, lighting up, and get ready for this amazing journey that I'm going to teach you.
This app here, Snapseed. This app you're seeing over here, Snapseed. Let's dive into it and see how we use this Snapseed. Then when you enter into your Snapseed, then you add photo. You go to add photo. When you go to add photo, you go to your add photo. No, you go to add photo. When you go to your add photo, go for your collection. Let me go to my collection. Let me go back. Let me check this photo. Let me check this photo. This one is okay. Let me check this one. Okay, you see this two is having Gemini logo. These two, let's select one now. This two now is having Gemini logo. Then you press down. You select one because you have added it. Two is having Gemini logo. Then as you can see, this is what they call Gemini logo. See the Gemini logo, this thing you see over here. So how can we remove something like this in a picture? Something like this, you go to your setting. This is your tools you are going to be using in Snapseed. With time I will teach you a lot of photo editing stuff in here. So you go to your healing. This is the right healing. See it, healing. I've pressed it already. Then you press your healing. Then allow it to load. Before it will not doing like this. Then you see that place that Gemini logo is. First of all, before you do this kind of a thing, you resume it. That place Gemini logo is, you do it like this. Select all those black parts. See, has disappeared. Can you see that? Can you see that? Let me undo it so you can see it. It has appeared. Let me just undo it so you can understand it. You circle that Gemini logo. Can you see that? Thing has disappeared. It's as neat as a normal floor. The Gemini logo is gone. Now you press good. That's this tick good. So you will not alter any editing. Then from here you can crop. You know, normal cropping. You can crop the photo. From here you can do. With time I will teach you people in my next video. I will teach you a lot of how to use all these settings in Snapseed. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.